That's rated out. I don't know if this is better, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it. I don't know if it's gonna be better. I don't know if it's gonna be better, so. Hey. Oh, it's right back here. The soundtrack is really good. Oh. The soundtrack is really good. Ow. Which levels did I not do? Oh, I did all. Okay, I guess we do World 4. This dance I have to do is very annoying, so I'm gonna do this. Keep concentrating, I'm gonna cringe. I don't want to cringe. Oh, yeah, this is everything works differently for noise. I was trapped on his chain, he was trapped on me. Get dead. We out here. We out here. Mechanic is so weird, bro. Oh, I didn't mean for that. No. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's turning it up. Turns out, don't have to turn. Yee! These controllers are so big. Keep forgetting these controls are actually really, really different. Like, you can't climb, so like, it's hard to get. I was really struggling on because I forgot how to do this yeah. That's, you have to do that. This drill doesn't break the metal blocks. The bacon room. I'm gonna go in the bacon room. I rescue in the bacon room. Why am I still in Batman? I just want to go in the bacon room. It's fun. My neck hurts. Maybe I don't breathe too much. I mean, it's a good thing that I breathe, but like, I'm on microphone. I'm gonna have a hunchback at me. Blaze through noise. Look at me go. He's walking on air. It's funny. not walking. It looks like you can walk on it. How am I supposed to do this? Oh, what? Oh. Then I could have platformed up this. Everything is so weird in this game. What? Oh, that's because I had enough. That's because I have enough space. Because the one in the forest. No forest. There was not enough space like to ground out. There was just not enough space to so you had to. They were like, oh, that might be a problem. So they just can't stick around. Oh. Get up there. Grab it. Grab your sausage. Or hot dog. Let's go. He has nothing to steal. Oh. Who needs the janitor? I'll make it. I'm gonna make it. No. Yeah. One time, I was going too fast and I accidentally exited it without grabbing the top. Grandma. You gotta run, Grandma. You gotta run. You can't die, Grandma. There's rat there. There's no other way to do it. There are multiple ways to get that one. But there's only one way that I can do. And that's the way that one way actually with the customers. I've been talking to you. Eventually I'll shut up. I'm just so used to not talking. Is everyone here? Line up, let's go. Let's go. Time's running out. Come on, fellas. Get out of my way. That's the top. Get them points, ball. Then got it. I want to be acceptable, okay? I'm definitely a hunchback after this. I said that a lot already, but like my neck. Gonna noise that for hugs and kisses. No, I'll pass. I'll pass. We're keeping Snotty alive. Mission: keep Snotty alive. Peppy bot back here. Do. Hold on. What? Hold on a second. I think my microphone died. Check. I think we fixed it. I just wish it went outwards more so I didn't have to bend my neck forward. Oh. Alright, let's do this. Go home, noise, please. My neck. The audio, my voice audio. Maybe it was out. You know, it was okay, but it could have. I tried this out. I don't know if it's better, but we'll see. Get up there. No, please. Get up, please. This is so hard. No. Please, thank you. Ow. Why do we have a bucket? Why do we have a bucket? Why do we have a bucket? Oh no. Oh no, I have a bucket. Oh, right. Gotta go back. I want to get the achievement. Watch. Nice. My neck is gonna be like a doctor. Faster than being on was. No! Why? Why would you do that game? Who needs that? Ow. I need speed. Donk. What is noise? Y'all. Yeah. Oh wait, that's right. You're not a pizza. Jesus. Idiot. Just fly. Screw the pizza. Why? With the jet. Let's get calling now. Let's get calling. Did I call? Yeah, I'm calling. Gotta go. Alright, gotta go, Diddy Kong. I'm gonna name you Diddy Kong. Diddy Kong noise. Aww. Diddy Kong noise. Gotta go. Diddy Kong! There's no Diddy Kong noise. I hate Rizzle Bot. No, we're almost done the game. Oh, I actually did that. Hit ball. Freak at Get out of here. Get out. This is noise area. You don't get to make noise. That's who I am. I am. You don't get to make noise. You can't make me. Because I made noise. I'm gonna be fast. I'm gonna be faster. No. Hurry up. Gotta get points. I wanna be accepted. Thank you. Okay. We're good. Acceptable. Thank God. I'll probably take a moment because my neck hurts. And when I'm ready, I'll go back to the microphone. Or maybe I'll wait until it goes out again. No, I'm not gonna go for hugs and kisses. All I have is these two. I'll be recognized. We're going to poopy level. level. Does this still work? I mean, probably not, because you're different achievements. It's just a voice ball. Whoa, the rat! We have different mechanics. They didn't change the achievements, they changed the costume. They just changed different outfits, power-ups. All they changed about noise. That's noise, different moveset, different costumes, different power-ups. Achievements are all the same. You're trying to figure out how to do everything that Pepito can do, and the noise. Good thing I can say, this game, in the noise game, I can, in the noise game, I can keep super Mach 4, Mach 3. How long this level I went. This is a whole entire 4 levels today. Glory. I missed. Yes. Maybe one day I'll be good with my big opponent. Maybe I should make a big opponent. I made my parry button. I just want to do this one time. I made my parry button L on my controller. Get dumb, stupid little pizza cutout. Looking ninja. Okay, I'm done. What the? Okay. What do you mean jump off? I got to jump off that. Oh, I guess I can get pushed out of garbage. Cool. Let's get out of here. Oh, let's get out of here. Yo, I did the thing. Let's go. I did the speedrun strat. I don't think I've actually. Ow. Gotta go. Come on, noise. Make some noise. Never mind. No! How can you do this? I want this. Why not, eh? Ooh, that was fun. Dude, my neck hurts so bad. No. Why he's so slow? I didn't know I didn't slow. Let's go. Come on, noise. You can get out of the freaky level. You gotta believe. You know what? You gotta believe. I'm not playing crap. That game made me so mad. I don't think I can get past it if I'm ever playing it. I think I wouldn't even be able to pass if you kicked me. That level makes me too mad. And even if I do pass it, the toilet, the poop your pants level. More mad. gotten close. Was it tricky banana? No, no, please. No. No, he's wide. No, that's what I said. You gotta believe in yourself. You weren't gotta believe it. You weren't gotta believe it. Yeah, I just get that garbage. Next goal. This is the second title game. He doesn't like the noise. I love it. I'm gonna do this here with that. Oh, this is so cool. Those mechanics, I know I said it was good already. Good. Oh wait, I said good when I never talked. Even though I'm still talking. Just can't hear. Get out. I'm so glad I remember this game brings me too much joy. Like the opposite of what rap is. No. Make it, yes. I'm acceptable. Yay. Acceptable. 6 minutes. I guess I'm doing the whole world. I'll do the whole. Wait, I want to take you out. Yeah. What do I do? Unlock by slipping on Banana's tentacle in a place. Don't kill Snot. What's up, bro? I'm taller than this, bro. And get here. Go back. Get here. Alright, oh, we got fridge level. We got fridge level. I don't know if I'm just a hater. I probably am. Whoa. Why do I just get that immediately? I thought I was supposed to play the level. Break the metal block. Anyways, I think I'm just a hater. I don't like achievements here at all. Achievements just kind of This is can I just break this down? No, everyone's seen this already. Everyone's seen all the stuff. Like I just didn't get to try it out yet. I want to do wait. I'm gonna go back before the game turns. Not that. I'm gonna go back before the game starts. Isn't that supposed to be like the last secret? Oh no, I just get it earlier than I was supposed to. Yeah, I don't think that was... Yeah, that was the last secret. Because that takes me back there. My brain's rotting. See, I can't bring those. My dad, dude. Just keep climbing it. No! I have an idea. Yes! It worked. Then again, I could have just... Wait, maybe that's why they gave it to you early.
guess they forgot that the super jump exists. And I forgot that you can fly it. That's my dad. My neck hit. I don't know if this is getting better. I don't know if this is getting like a well, I guess the reason why my voice audio stuff is because of the game. I made it really loud. I guess I turned it down. So maybe I'm just talking over every single thing. But if I just didn't talk this video, then we would have got to hear this very good song. This is my favorite level. I think this level is sometimes I got really mad at this level when you're going for 101. I'm fine. I'm not going to go 110% I just said 101%. Then I said 100%. Anyways, I'm not going to do 101% on noise because like I just don't think I want to do that. Oh my god, I'm Batman. There's the Batcave. Okay, shut up. Pino, where's the Batcave? Where's the noise cave? Where is it? I can go there. I'm gonna find it. Why would you tell me? For justice. Justice for the Pizza Tower. I think I am the most annoying person that I ever know. I think I am the most annoying person I know. I'm gonna do this without all. I will do this without all. I'm gonna do something else, you know, because the thumbnail for noise part 2. The thumbnail was the same thing, just the red character. So maybe if I die, and then new style, maybe I'll just get a new style for every time I play. And then I'll have but different style. Anyways. Yeah, we got the achievement. And I'll do the boss, you know, I just wanna leave there. I just want to leave the noise. I want to get it over with. You know, I say I want to get it over with. Probably would just beat the game now. Like, do the rest of the stuff. And then, yeah. Okay, fine. I'll go give you the hugs and kisses. For money. Oh, okay. You're money. No, stop, please. Thank you. Thank you for stopping. See, now fake Pepino was like, why couldn't it just been Pepino? Oh, because I've seen him before. Wait, that's kind of glitched. Wait, is it supposed to do that? Because, like, in the first time, it just says Pepino versus Pepino. But then after you beat it the first time, after you beat him the first time, he, like, becomes fake Pepino. And it says fake Pepino, but this time it was the fake Pepino spray. But now it's just fake. but just says Pino. Can I kill him? Can I kill him? I can't. Get this. Oh, he goes right here. That's not fair. Get sniped. Landed on it. That's crazy. I like parrying it just in case I get hit. Ugh. Oh, that was crazy. Since I can't like stay climbing in that one spot, like Pino does, just jump. Ooh, get parried. Suck. Get wrecked. Yeah, get that. Okay. I forgot about that phase. I forgot boss test. Get the frick. I'm already here. Get out of my sight. I'm gonna see you ever again. Disturbance. 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 Then again, you disturb everyone. Unless somebody likes you. I like you as a character, but the way you are is disgusting. Dodge. Get you out. Get out of here. Get out of here. Ow. Go, 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 go. I don't even care. He's catching up to me. He's catching up to me. What is this? Okay, okay, okay. What? What? What just happened? Am I scarier than fake Pepito? That's awesome. That's so lit, dude. Why do I sound? Why am I saying lit? I'm acting so cool, bro. I'm just gonna walk through it. I was not expecting that. I didn't actually watch any footage of this. Like, even though I'm like so late to the party for this, I'm actually going to full Noise playthrough online. Completely. Everyone's gonna be so annoyed with that. I'm gonna be so annoyed with that noise. I don't know how to fix it, so I'll just do this. Unless you can't hear me. Do better. Shut up, banana looking piece of poo. Got poo all over you. That's where you got the outfit. Okay, Ducky. Well, there's noise again. There's noise again. I recorded the last one, the part 2 of noise, in April, and I uploaded it yesterday. Why am I doing this still? All right, you know what? I still don't have an outro, so bye.